Hi everybody, my name is Roman and it's Marketing Watch House. And today we have a very short video. I just wanted to tell you why we don't analyze broad keywords in Apple search ads. And actually, the reason is very simple. The thing is that you don't have search term data in your Just or any other analytical system you use, because the search term data cannot be parsed outside the Apple. So, for example, imagine you make advertising for Google Ads app and you create a broad keyword, and what you will find out that you will see a lot of other search terms like Bing ads or Yandex ads or Baidu ads or analytics, or also you will see something like Coursera or Udemy because they do advertising courses, or you will also see something like Maps, probably because Maps is also a Google application, and a lot of unrelated search terms. So to get rid of these, we have to split the traffic and analyze search terms separately. But the thing is that you cannot give this information to Apple. So in Google Ads or Bing or Yandex or Baidu, any other system that does exist today, we push the conversion data and the site behavior data inside the cabinet, and we can see the results inside our user interface online. But in Apple Search Ads today, you cannot pass any sales or other conversion data to your user interface. That means that search term inside will give you only information about how often people download your app, but downloads is not money in your business. So because Apple cannot actually give any information about user search term, because that would be a violation of our users' privacy, and they do not accept any information inside their user interface, every search term you have there is very disconnected from actual sales you have. To solve this problem, we create each search term as a separate keyword and analyze them only when they are exact. And broad, we do not analyze, we only use them to make a keyword expansions system for our campaigns. That is exactly why we separate broad and exact in different campaigns, and we do all exacts as a negative keywords on a broad campaign on a campaign level. So just for you to remember that broad and DSA give you a lot of relevant and unrelevant keywords inside, and you cannot analyze search terms. In exact, you don't have search terms, you have only keywords, and you can pass the keyword information inside the adjust or your application and actually analyze how efficient this is. So I will share this presentation, stay tuned, and I'm also creating another video for you. Hope you enjoy this video. Please leave your comments and your suggestions below, and see you. Bye bye.